Hey guys, Dave here, and today we're going to talk about the Yost heavy duty combination pipe and bench vices. There are 4 variations of this vise: the 31C, which is a 3.5-inch version, the 32C, which is the 4.5-inch version, and the 33C, which is the 5-inch version, and last but not least, the 34C, which is the 6-inch version. All of the features we talk about later will apply to every version of this vise. First off, why do we call it a combination vise? Well, you have a set of pipe jaws right here that are designed to hold onto pipe without slipping, but more importantly, without crushing the pipe. If you've ever tried to secure pipe in a regular straight-jawed vise, then you know why this is super important. On your top, you also have a standard machinist-style bench vise jaws. Both jaws are made from hardened steel. The machinist jaws are a serrated finish for a better grip, and both sets of jaws are replaceable. So if you beat this guy up a little bit, no worries, simply pop off the old ones and install some fresh jaws. Lastly, you get a nice little anvil area on the back of this unit. It also has an interlocking swivel base with a 360-degree rotation, great for adjusting the vise depending on the project you're working on or the part in your vise. Once you get the desired location, you can secure it down using the lockdowns on the base. On the front, you get a nice no-pinch screw handle with 2 rubber grommets that avoid the handle from sliding down into unwanted positions. Now, we offer several pipe and bench combo vices, but the key to remember is that this is the heavy-duty version. So if you're gonna put it through the ringer, I recommend one from this series. For more information on this vise or any other vices we offer, click the link in the description or at the end of this video.